What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So this video is going to be on what to do if you only have $1,000 to invest in CPA marketing. So this is what I would do. This will be my game plan here. All right, so I'm just going to put our $1,000 up here at the top. All right, so that's going to be the budget for everything. All right, so first things first is, we're just going to jump right into this. So first things first, you have to get a course, okay? Like, there is no way around it, especially if you're doing paid advertising. Have to get a course. Does have to be my course. Is get you a damn course, guys. It's like, you got to get one. You buy someone else's mistakes, you won't have to make those same mistakes. That simple. So for me personally, I would invest anywhere from like 100 to 250 for that course, right? So now you're going to be left with, let's just use the max for this right here, right? So now you're going to be at, what, 750? All right, so that's going to be our budget now. So now we're at 750 here. And so this is going to be for the course. Now the next thing I would get would be some form of tracking. So we would go with the cheap one. The one I can think of off the top of my head would be ClickMagick. And if I'm not mistaken, they are around $20 a month. That's just what I'm thinking. I've actually personally never used the service. I jumped right into CPV Labs. So I have no idea if they're a good tracking software or anything like that. So, if you're going to use them at your own will. Your own discretion, do your research, all that fun stuff. So like I said before, I've only used CPV Labs. The only reason I'm not saying use that because they cost like $300, and that's gonna bring you down all the way to like damn near $400. So this right here is gonna get the job done when you're first starting out. So $20, then you're gonna be at 730. All right. Now from there, you got your tracking and you got your course. That's your main two things right there. Now personally, I wouldn't do anything like native advertising, no adult traffic, no PPC networks, no mobile advertising network, none of that. Because you literally need thousands of dollars. So I'm just keeping it 100. A lot of people are going, oh no, you can get away with $200 or $300. You're not going to get away with $200 or $300 on native advertising. Okay, that is literally throwing money into the goddamn garbage. All right, you literally throw away money when it comes to that, because you're not. About time you get more money, the data you collected is going to be completely irrelevant, right? So just forget it. If you don't have a big budget, stay away from native advertising, stay away from adult traffic, stay away from all that stuff, right? So personally, what I would do is I would stick to the guaranteed money, which is Craigslist. Sites like Craigslist, influencer marketing, right? Like, this is the guaranteed return on investment money, right? So that's just me. So I would stick to Craigslist, Facebook, right? Personally, I haven't really ran a lot of traffic on Bing, but I heard a lot of great stuff about it, so I'll just put that on here as well. So that's the guaranteed money, at least these three right here anyway. This is the guaranteed money, at least for me personally. Craigslist, guaranteed money. Influencer marketing, guaranteed money. Facebook ads, damn near guaranteed money. Now, when it comes to Craigslist and influencer marketing, 99% of offers you are not going to be able to run because you're going to be fighting the system. Now, you can run them all day long because if you want to fight the system. But if you don't want to fight the system, you're pretty much going to have to, find an offer that's 100% legitimate, right? Now, the best part about Craigslist traffic is that it's literally going to cost you around $5, $5 to $10 per gig post, right? So you can post a lot of, ads when it comes to Craigslist. So you're gonna get a lot of potential, customers and stuff like that, conversions and stuff like that. It's like damn near, again, 100% guaranteed. Now, when it comes to influencer marketing, this really varies to the offer that you're promoting, right? It really varies like a lot, because you want to go for someone that actually has a following, right? And if they have a following, and then, especially if they're not like a new person, they've been doing this for a while, they might charge like $200 or $300 right out the gate, right? So that'll bring you down to like, what, let's say $550. But the good thing about that as well is that you're going to see traffic instantly, right? Depending on who you go to. So like one of the guys I do business with or whatnot, I give him 128 bucks, some weird number like that, and he has I think like 80,000 followers or whatever. But he's in a different country, so a lot of people don't hit him up because they don't have an offer in that area or whatever. So if you can go for an offer that's not based in the United States, because then you'll probably be able to get a better deal or whatever. But if you're a Team DeAngelo member, just go do the training on that as well. So yeah, influencer marketing is an absolute gold mine as well. Now, Facebook ads, it really depends on how good you are. Like, because like I said, you got to have a course for that. Like, really should not try to run Facebook ads without a course. Because even if you're doing something low, like $5 a day with ad testing and stuff like that, that's going to take fucking forever, right? That's going to legit take a very long time to collect some data. You want to get out there like 20 bucks, 30 bucks, something like that, just get the ball rolling, when it comes to that. But like I said, these would be the first two that I would go to. Paid advertising, like with banners and all that type of stuff. That would be after those two. Like if I couldn't find or get those two to work for whatever reason, then I would go to Facebook and then YouTube and stuff like that, right? But I would go to the guaranteed money, which is Craigslist ads and influencer marketing. Guaranteed 100%. I don't care what anyone says. You are 100% guaranteed to see a return on investment, at least right now anyway, on Craigslist. And you are 100%, well, I shouldn't say 100%, because if you don't have the proper training for influencer marketing, you'll end up going to wrong people. Like I said, they're I'm just assuming you have a good course and you know what you're doing. Like that's just what I'm gonna assume. All right, so I can quit going back and forth or whatever. So you'll find you a good influencer, pay them, and then you'll be able to see money right away. Right, that's the best part about it. Or you can go to like a few small people. Or let's say you go to somebody with like 10,000 followers or whatever, and then you just pay them like 30 bucks or whatever per person, right? And then you got your click magic, so you know where your stuff is coming from, or you can give them a unique, you just use your click magic, might as well, gonna jump off track there for a second, but yeah, just use your click magic, give each one of the influencers a different one, and then whoever gets the best conversions, that's who you keep going to. That's simple. All right, but for the most part, you're going to see a return on investment on all of those. And then with Facebook, again, that would be after these two right here, right? After if Craigslist and influencer marketing don't work, then I would go to Facebook, And if you promote biz ops, or if you promote the iPhone offers, if you promote the trial offers, well, you should actually stay away from trial offers if you only have $1,000. With influencer marketing, you might can get away with it, depending on the influencer. If they don't care about their following, then yeah, they'll let you promote it. But if an influencer, basically, let's say they start getting some negative feedback, they're not going to do business with you again. So it's up to you if you want to burn those bridges or whatever. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the most part. And then, you just keep your ad budget. So basically, your ad budget after your course and your your tracking software is going to be around like 730. Let's just say 700, just to round it off or whatever, because you might get unexpected fees, or it might be more expensive than I said here. So let's say $700. Again, I would take that 700. Try to spend it. If you can spend the whole 700 on Craigslist, you're guaranteed to see at least a 5x return. With the influencer marketing, there's just so many different variables with that, like I don't want to give you guys an actual like a definitive number or whatever, but depending on who you go to, like I said, there's just so many different variables or whatever. So you'll see a return on investment if you go to the right people with influencer marketing, and if you're using the right offers, because again, some offers convert better with different audiences, just that simple, and then you can also have someone who actually doesn't like their following doesn't even listen to them or whatever. Like I said, there's just a whole bunch of different variables when it comes to that. But yeah, if you go to the right person, you'll be able to see a nice return on investment with influencer marketing. And when it comes to Facebook, YouTube, Bing, stuff like that, that will be the last of the last, because you're gonna have to spend money to be able to gather data, stuff like that. With influencer marketing and Craigslist, you're pretty much going to be in profit damn near 100% out the gate. But that's just my experience so far. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So that's what I would do if I only had $1,000 to invest inside CPA marketing.